about those winds, as we were just talking about. Some of the peak gusts that we saw yesterday. Placerville, 60-mile-per-hour gusts reported. In South Lake Tahoe, reporting 59-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Sacramento International, 48 miles per hour. That certainly explains all of the downed branches and leaves in my neighborhood. Now, as far as the rainfall totals go, Stockton picking up more than 3/4 of an inch. Modesto, about 1/4 of an inch, though, for you yesterday. Auburn picking up over 2 inches of rain. In Marysville, 1.3. Sacramento Executive Airport picking up 1.1, setting a new record for the day yesterday. And as far as the snowfall totals go, well, Sugar Bowl, you really lucked out there. 24 inches of fresh, new, natural snow. Kirkwood picking up 16 inches.